Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you the best shoulder workout exercises to help you build big and strong shoulders. Before we dive into the exercises, let's quickly discuss the anatomy of the shoulder. The shoulder is made up of three main muscles: the anterior deltoid, the lateral deltoid, and the posterior deltoid. Each of these muscles plays a vital role in the overall appearance and strength of your shoulders. Overhead press. The overhead press is a great exercise for building overall shoulder strength. It targets all three deltoid muscles and is a compound exercise, meaning it works multiple muscle groups at once. Side lateral raise. The side lateral raise is an excellent exercise for targeting the lateral deltoid muscle. This exercise involves lifting dumbbells out to the sides of your body, keeping your arms straight. Upright row shoulder press is a compound exercise that targets the shoulders, trapezius, and upper back muscles. It is a variation of the traditional upright row with the addition of a shoulder press movement. The seated dumbbell shoulder press is a classic exercise that targets the shoulders, triceps, and upper back muscles. The seated position provides stability and support for the back and core, allowing you to focus on the movement of the shoulders and arms. This exercise can be done with different weight ranges, making it suitable for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts. The use of dumbbells also helps to improve shoulder stability and balance. The front raise is an isolation exercise that targets the anterior deltoid muscle. This exercise involves lifting dumbbells out in front of your body, keeping your arms straight. Incorporating these exercises into your shoulder workout routine will help you build bigger and stronger shoulders. It's essential to remember to use proper form and start with light weights to avoid injury. As always, remember to consult with a doctor or fitness professional before starting any new exercise routine. Do you guys believe these are the best shoulder exercises for big shoulders? Let us know what you think in the comments. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe this video. See you guys next time.